tired, I know you're ashamed, because this life hasn't turned out your way. I know you're hurting, looking for ways to change it all and to start again. But hold on out, yeah, hold on tight. I got a feeling it will be alright. You gotta hold on out just for a little while. Your time is coming, and I see fire in your eyes under the pain. Yeah, I see lightning in your hands, waiting to strike the earth again. And I see crowns upon your head with thorns for place. Yeah, I see fire in your eyes, waiting to be raised. Your heart is heavy, your heart of tears. You tread in water, that's how it feels. Fighting the shadows, but they won't clear. Your life is closer though than it appears. So hold on out, yeah, hold on tight. You know you're strong enough to make this right. You gotta hold on out just for a little while. Your time is coming, and I see fire in your eyes under the pain. Yeah, I see lightning in your hands, waiting to strike the earth again. And I see crowns upon your head with thorns for place. Yeah, I see fire in your eyes, waiting to be raised. Yeah, I see fire in your eyes. Yeah, I see a new sun gonna rise. Got a feeling it will be. And I see fire in your eyes, just for a little while. Your time is coming, your time is coming. I know you're tired, I know you're ashamed, because this life hasn't turned out your way. I know you're hurting, looking for ways to change it all and to start again.